Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Tactic Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to build visibility rules in HubSpot which apply to specific subscription types in the platform, and then we're going to take a look at how to make those apply to specific segments and or lists based on the specific context that we have in HubSpot. Check it out. So we're going to log into HubSpot, and then we're going to go into where we have the gear icon right here the top, and then I'm going to click on it, and then on the left hand side I'm going to scroll all the way down to where we have marketing, and then I'm going to go to email. Now I'm going to go to subscription types first, and then here is where I want to create a new subscription type, which is going to be in English. It's going to be called newsletter, and then I'll just type in newsletter subscribers as the description, and then I'm just going to click on save. And now that I have that subscription type showing up here, I'm then going to go into visibility rules right next to it. And then here I'm going to establish my first rule, which will mean that what I want is that only contacts who are subscribed to the newsletter are able to see this subscription type. So I'm actually now going to create a rule here on the right, create rule, and then I'm going to call it newsletter subscribers. And since I already have my list of newsletter subscribers, I'm actually going to choose my segment here. And then I'm just going to type in newsletter. And I have my list right there, newsletter subscribers only. And then I'm going to save and continue. And then now, since I already created my subscription type, I'm actually going to select subscription type. And then I'm going to scroll down to newsletter. And then that's it. I'm now going to save it. And now we're done. And now that visibility rule will apply to newsletter subscribers only. And that's pretty much it. So now we've crafted our visibility rule. We've also established what that rule will apply to, so to what subscription type, and also to what list or segment in HubSpot it'll apply to. And this in practice means that anybody from that newsletter list, if and whenever they hit unsubscribe or manage preferences within an email that they get from us, they'll be taken to the preferences page, and in that page they'll be able to see only the visibility rule applied to folks from that specific segment. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.